Welcome back to PRIDEFIT. Today we are doing one of my favorite 9-minute ab routines. You do not need any equipment for this workout. Let's hop right into some technique. For this workout, we are going to be doing 30 seconds on, 15 seconds off of 6 different core movements. Our first movement is going to be the boat pose crunch. So you're going to start in boat pose. You can have your fingertips on the ground. We're just going to be gently tapping our heels to the ground and really pulling our belly button to our spine throughout the entire movement. Next, we'll go into sky crunches. You'll lay back, legs will be completely straight, hands reaching toward the sky, trying to get as high as possible, really engaging our core. So we're lifting up rather than forward. Thinking about controlling the way up and controlling the way down. Next, we'll go into some side oblique crunches. You'll be laying on your side with one knee up. Left elbow to left knee. You're gonna come up and crunch and pause, really squeezing your obliques in this movement. The pause at the top is the most important part. Going into corkscrews, feet are gonna be up toward the sky, hands underneath your butt. And you're gonna come up and twist. So that extra twist at the top is gonna include a little bit more oblique engagement. Just make sure that you are switching which way you are twisting every single rep. And then lastly, we'll go into hollow rocks. Find that boat pose, go back into a hollow position and rock there, making sure that you're pressing your lower back into the floor the entire time. If this is too difficult, we can go into boat pose rocks by bending your knees and rocking here, still pulling your belly button to your spine the entire movement. Let's hop right into it. Starting with boat pose crunches. In 3, 2, 1, here we go. Thinking about keeping your chest up, gently tapping your heels to the floor, and then pulling your knees up as tall as possible. These are going to feel pretty easy this first round. We'll get progressively harder. And rest, 15 seconds of rest. We will transition into those sky crunches. Laying on your back, hands up to the sky. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Reach up to the sky. Control the descent back down to the ground. That's good. Try and get your shoulders up as tall as possible. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Going into those side oblique crunches. One knee is up. And be going left elbow to left knee. Here we go. Make sure to pause at the top, really get the most out of every single rep. Squeezing your oblique. Nice and controlled. 5, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Let's switch sides. Right elbow to right knee for these side oblique crunches. Going in 3, 2, 1, here we go. That bottom arm is there for stability, but we're not using it to push up. Really squeeze, really squeeze. 2, 1, and rest. Corkscrews are next. Laying on your back, hands underneath your bum, legs up to the sky, starting in 3, 2, 1, here we go. Heels will come down to the ground just 2 inches above the ground, come right back up, pop the hips, and twist. Making sure to alternate sides every rep. Ten seconds. Three, 2, 1, and rest. And lastly, we have those hollow rocks or boat rocks. Three, 2, 1, and go. Make sure to press that lower back into the floor the entire time. You can also have your hands down to your sides to make it a little easier. Or we can go into boat pose and rock there. 10 seconds. Three, 2, 1, and rest. Good. Going back into boat pose crunches. Starting in 3, 2, 1, find boat pose. Gently tap those heels to the ground and bring your knees up to your chest. Gonna feel a little bit tougher this round. Yeah. 10 seconds. Three, 2, 1, rest, sky crunches. Three, 2, 1, here we go. Reach up to the sky, not out in front of you. Try and get as tall as possible, and then control the descent. Give me a little pause at the top to really get the most out of this movement. Three, 2, 1, rest. Side oblique crunches. Three, 2, 1, here we go. Elbow to knee. Really trying to isolate your obliques in this movement. Give me a pause at the top and control the way down. That's good, keep it up. 5, 3, 2, 1. Let's switch sides. Starting on the other side in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. That's good. Three, 2, 1, and rest. Corkscrews. Hands underneath your bum, feet up to the sky. Three, 2, 1, and go. Let's finish strong. 2, 1, rest, and hollow rocks. Here we go, you're almost done. 3, 2, 1, here we go, hollow rocks. Saving the best for last. Really try and push through. Really try and get your lower back onto the floor. Three, 2, 1, and rest. Thank you so much for doing 9-minute abs with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave it a like, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and check out PRIDEFIT, which is my online training program. You can go to www.pridefit.com to start your 7-day free trial. And if you are looking for a new way to switch up your gym routine, check out my new podcast, Pod Workouts, which gives you free personal training in your ear at the gym. I'll see you next time.